that London is a melting pot of people from all around the world. It's the city of choices where you can choose to be really where you are truly, personally, professionally.
I really think it's like the best place to live because there's so much to do, and every like different area in London you go to, there's like a different vibe. There's different kind of people everywhere. I really think it's just like the best place. I was born here, I've lived here my whole life, in the same area my whole life. I mean, I've been around, I've seen different places, but I still know that I wouldn't want to be anywhere else but here.
I discovered American Vintage almost 2 years ago. I immediately fell in love with the brand because it's really reflecting my personality.
I love the brand American Vintage because it's got such a good balance between the casual style and smart and posh style, and you can come here and get any different variety of what you want. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. There's lots of different stuff that you can get from here. I think it's really good.